Hello guys, welcome to my channel and easy one. So in this video we'll be talking about this particular telegram mining bot known as the Gen mining. So I know that most of you know about this particular mining bot known as the Gen. So in this video we'll be checking to know if this particular telegram bot is legit or a scam. But before we dive into this video, all I need from you guys is to go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel and easy one, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So this particular gem mining telegram bot is a node mining. So I know most of you know about some mining which are node mining, whereby you have to stake some USDT in order for it to mine for you some of the gen token. So in this video we'll be checking to know if it is a legit or a scam project, because most of these telegram node mining are mostly scam projects. And the reason why I say so is because I know most of you know about a particular project known as the Coin. So that Coin also was a node mining. Most people fall into their victim. I myself will also even fall into their victim by staking some USDT. I think I stake about 50 USDT, and it was mining for me some ETH token. At the end of the day, I couldn't able to withdraw the ETH token which it mined, and the later flew off from Telegram. So in this video, we'll be talking about this particular gem mining. So I'm not going to waste much of your time on this particular video. So for those who have hope saying that this project might be legit, so you can see where, if you go to where it says wallet, so if I go to where it says wallet, you can see that this is my balance. Currently have about 3,500 gen token. And if I click on where it says gen to USDT, so you can see that this 3,508, this thing is worth about let me say what about 0.3 USDT. Like if you want to earn more gen token, you need to go ahead and stake some USDT. It's also similar to that of the ETH coin. Also, this is what they ask users to do, so that they will be earning some ETH token by asking the users to go ahead and deposit some USDT and earn some of the gen token. So you can see that this NFT you are saying, that is the amount of what they earn every day, like the gen token they earn every day, and you can see the total. This is the total amount of gen token, and you can, if you go to your calculator and search for 0.000, because the price of gen token is 0.0001 times 29 million, you can see the way to go ahead and check it yourself. So I'm not going to advise you guys watching this video to stake some USDT, because they'll try to use this to to make you deposit some USDT to this particular Telegram mining bot, and whereby you deposit some money into it, you can't be able to withdraw your money you stake into this particular Telegram mining bot, because Coin did the same. Coin took so many people's money away by telling them to deposit some USDT and be collecting some NFT, and they were saying that those NFT will be in the end future, they are going to convert it to ETH token, whereby we can able to withdraw our ETH token. And this particular gen token is also doing the same. So do not deposit any USDT into this platform. This platform is not a legit platform. And you can see their white paper. If you go ahead and click on that white paper, there's nothing meaningful which they are saying on their white paper. So this is what I want to tell you guys about this particular gen token. Not to fall victim of them. Do not deposit anything into this platform. This node mining is not a legit node mining. So for those watching this video, if you have withdrawn from this gen node mining, you can do well to comment in the comment section down below the video. And if I go to where it says home section, you can see where the leaderboard, like the earning board of people who are the top earners of this particular gem mining. So you can do well to go ahead and search for it. I think my network is bad, and you can remember I said I'm not going to waste much time on this video. So do not fall victim of this particular gem mining, because if you do that, I'm sorry. So just continue with your free mining. Do not deposit any USDT to this particular platform. Continue with your free mining. By the end of the day, you might be able to withdraw something from it, which I know it's not possible. So now we have come to the end of this video. So if you find this video helpful, all I need from you guys is go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, and easy one, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. So peace out.